my people. Today we are going to start again on how to analyze your stock, because now we are going to start investing our stocks which we have been looking for, which we have been analyzing for a period of time. So right now we are going to come back and start putting our minds together and start investing as a professional and the fundamentals to analyze a stock. So there are two things which we are supposed to do: technical analysis. If you don't know what is a technical analysis, it is a process that analyzes the stock and get a clear vision on when to buy a stock. That's why we call it technical. It's to analyze a stock, to know what time are you supposed to go in and buy a stock, when. So I'm going to paint the chart which shows clearly so that you can visualize on what I'm trying to explain. So when you visualize, it is easy to understand and easy to go in and buy a stock. Another thing is to analyze these factors. Investors can estimate the intrinsic value of a stock and determine whether it is undervalued or overvalued. When a stock is overvalued and undervalued, it will give you a clear picture on what you are supposed to do. No, we don't do that. So this approach involves studying. You must study. This is why I said in the previous video, you must learn. You have to go, you see the historical price, volume, data to identify patterns and trends that may indicate future price movements. So when you go check a chart, you see from the previous where this stock has been moving, the way it has been moving on the different time frames, then it will be easy for you to analyze and say, okay, let me predict that this stock is going to be like this performance. But that's not a guarantee that you will be 100% correct. Nobody has ever predicted correct. Okay? Some tools we use, such as charts, trend lines, moving averages, the indicators to make predictions based on the past price behavior. So when we use these indicators, it shows us how this stock has been behaving from the previous, and then we tend to focus and see this stock, it might go down or it may go up. So by monitoring those things, it will give you an insight. And bear in mind, the main point is you can have all those indicators in place, but the market is not moving. Why? Because sometimes the market is being moved by the news, the company's announcements, the industry trends, and market sentiments. It provides insights into how investors perceive a stock. So that's when you can see, okay, it is a positive news, or the market is going to be favored. It can lead you into increased buying activity, potentially driving the stock price up. So when the price goes up and you had already set your goals clearly where to enter, then you will be in money, making money. Pay attention to the recommendations and the reports from professional analysts. There's so many articles there you can read. There's so many books you can read. So bear in mind, you must put your time. Make sure you put time, no guesswork, what to buy. And they look for the company's performance of a stock. This involves assessing a company's financial statements, financial health. So when you focus for the fundamentals, that's when you will be able to tell this stock is good for me to invest. So bear in mind, I think you need to see is the economic and the market conditions. So when you understand the broader economic trends, make market conditions, and the geographical factors, these things, it affects the market movement. It can help us assess the overall market environment and identify sectors or industries that may perform well in the future. So when we look at all these economic market conditions, it helps us to predict in the future how the market is going to perform. And then now we make our own decision to go in and buy. So the positive economic indicators or favorable market conditions can influence stock price positively. So bear in mind when you read those economic news. So I'm going to pin a chart also which you are going to see, and it will help us to make a clear decision. So what I'm trying to explain here is that because now we have already gathered all our informations, we have our indicators, we have our news, we have economical, political issues in the country, and then now you are going to buy a stock. Those are the footprints you need to follow. To be successful trader, you need to follow all those footprints I was explaining to. So when you follow those footprints, a very good investor. So remember, this is not a forex. You just come in, buy and sell. No. So this is investment. It is good for future long-term projection. So when you come here and you try to see what I'm trying to explain to you, please make sure in the back of your mind, this is a long-term investment. So it's like when you are doing a compound interest in a business, it is the same, because you are going to invest for your future benefit. So when you are going to do these things and you become a better person, then you will jump in to be doing what we call day trading. Going to be, if you are going to be comfortable with the market trends, because the movement is going to be crazy. It must be done within the day. So if you cannot handle the the movement, the fluctuations in the market, then, and if you don't have a risk tolerance, then you cannot make it to be a day trade. The day trade is very difficult. It's just for the professional people. If you want to lose money, your money like this, then you jump into day trading. Day trading is difficult. It needs somebody who knows what is supposed to do. So as at now, if you are a beginner and you are trying to jump in to start investing, for the footprints, which I've already indicated in my previous video and even this one here, go back and go follow step by step. I'm going to pin everything on the slides so that you can be able to see what I'm trying to explain step by step. Because if you follow those footprints, then you stick to your goals, and then you will be a good person to go. You will make good progress. That's what we call investment. Learn from the experts, seek advice, and then you will be good to go. So my good people, you can smash that like button, share with your fellow colleagues, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Aside doing most of my videos, when I upload a new one, please jump in, watch, share, and comment. Sharing to engage one another in the future. Thank you. God bless you.